our grand celebration. This is her first birthday today. Now, other than our dearest Ellie Celestine Espinosa Guerrero. Wow! Beautiful! Bagay na bagay. Mami, alam mo na ha, pink na car ang gusto ni Baby Ellie. So once again, let's give her a round of applause. At syempre, naman po natin ang happy birthday si Baby Ellie. Sabay-sabay naman po tayo on the count of 3. Happy birthday!